This is the sixth branch of biology that is known as a taxonomy. Taxonomy is the branch of biology that deals with the study of rules, principles, grouping and naming of the living organisms. Simply we can say that classifying the organisms according to their similarities and dissimilarities by using the various type of rules, principles and the other naming rules or grouping rules that is known as a taxonomy. It also comes from the Greek language that is known as a taxis, and which means arrangement, and nomos means the name. The arrangement of the names according to their similarities and dissimilarities by using rules and principles is known as a taxonomy. For example, when we gather the organisms, we have the one cow and one buffalo, and we have the one goat, and we have the one pigeon, and we have one frog, we have one fish. So how we will group them according to their similarities? So the cow, goat and the buffalo will gather together because they are similar to each other, because they have 4 legs, they walk on the 4 legs and they milk their kids. And while the pigeon can fly and it cannot give the milk to the organisms, that's why it is different from the other 3 organisms. And same thing comes from the frog cannot fly, it can only live in the water and in the land as well as in the land. The fish is different from the frog because it cannot walk, it can swim only, it cannot come outside of the water. If it comes, it will die, but the frog cannot die. So there will be the different groups. The fishes group will be separate, frog group will be separate, pigeon group will be separate, and the mammals group will be separate, in which the buffalo, cow and goat will be included. So this is the grouping of organisms, and this is the taxonomy, and we will give the name to all the organisms according to their similarities and their groups. So such as we have the phylum Chordata, we have phylum Invertebrata, we have kingdom Animalia, we have kingdom Plantae. So all these organisms are distributed and grouped together according to their similarities with certain rules. Okay, this is the taxonomy.